Hello students, now I will solve this type of sum. Okay, this sum is very important, and the harder sum I will solve by the process of integration. Now let us take 1 by 1 plus x to the power n equal to z to the power n. Here, differentiate with respect to x. We have x to the power 1 by x to the power n means x to the power minus n. So minus n, x to the power minus n minus 1 dx equal to n into z to the power n minus 1. Now cancel this. So this will be minus x to the power minus n plus 1 dx. Sorry, I am writing wrong here, dz. Okay, so here z to the power n minus 1 dz. So this will be minus 1 by x to the power n into x dx equal to z to the power n minus 1 dz. That means dx by x to the power n equal to minus x into z to the power n minus 1 dz. So we must substitute dx by x to the power n from here. So I will be dz into minus x into z to the power n minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Now here from this step x to the power n plus 1 equal to z to the power n x to the power n. So 1, if we multiply both sides as a power, so that will be zx. So we put zx, x and x be cancelled. So this will be minus z to the power n minus 1, and here power is 1. So minus 2 dz. Now this, from this step, this is easiest to solve this z to the power n minus 2. Okay. So by the rule of the integration, plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be minus z to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1. This is the complete sum. Now z to the power n minus 1 we substitute from this. We have to find the value of z to the power n. So here z to the power n equal to x to the power n plus 1 by x to the power n equal to z to the power n. So z equal to x to the power n plus 1 whole to the power 1 by n by x to the power n into 1 by n. So we must write this x to the power n, this will be the power, okay, whole to the power 1 by n by x. So instead of z to the power n plus n minus 1 by n plus n minus 1, we substitute this value, okay. So this will be minus 1 by n minus 1, the value of z, this. So z to the power n minus 1 will be n minus 1 by n minus 1. Now, from this step, if we substitute this, from this step, if we substitute this, we get a result. We get the result z to the power n minus 1 equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n into n minus 1 by x to the power n minus 1. So, from this answer will be minus 1 by n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 1 by n, we write 1 minus 1 by n, okay, into 1 by x to the power n minus 1 plus c. C is a constant of integration. But this step is not very essential. This essential step is that z to the power n minus 1 by 1 minus n. If we can substitute, firstly, this main step from this sum is 1 by 1 plus x to the power n equal to z to the power n. All the students, you have a clear idea about the differentiation. So from this step, if we can remember this step, we must have to find the value of this integration. Okay. Now from this way, you must try to other sum, and in the next video I will solve the next type of sum. Okay. Thank you.